Hi and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the core values of Agile, the heart of what makes Agile different and effective. We'll also explore how the Project Management Institute, or PMI, views Agile and how Agile fits nicely into PMI's way of managing projects. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of Agile's mindset and how it complements traditional project management. Why speed does it? Let's first explore the four Agile values made simple. 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. What does this mean? Agile puts people first, the team members, their skills, and especially how they communicate, more than rigid processes or fancy tools. Why does it matter? Even the best tools can't replace great teamwork and direct communication. When people collaborate openly, they solve problems faster and adapt better. Example: imagine instead of spending hours configuring a complex project management software, the team gathers for a quick daily stand-up. They share updates, discuss roadblocks, and brainstorm solutions together. This real-time interaction keeps everyone aligned and moving forward. 2. Working solutions over comprehensive documentation. What does this mean? Delivering something functional and usable matters more than producing piles of documents about how it should work. Why does it matter? Documentation is useful, but can slow things down if it becomes the main focus. The real value lies in building working features you can test and improve. Example: instead of writing a massive 100-page requirements document up front, an Agile team prefers to create a small working feature early on and get feedback. This helps the team learn quickly what works and what doesn't, saving time and effort. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. What does this mean? Agile encourages ongoing collaboration with customers throughout the project, not just following a contract agreed at the start. Why does it matter? Customer needs often evolve or become clearer over time. Regular collaboration helps teams deliver exactly what customers want, not just what was initially promised. Example: rather than sticking strictly to contract terms, the team meets regularly with the customer, demos progress, gathers feedback, and adjusts the plan accordingly. This keeps the product aligned with real needs. 4. Responding to changeover. Following a plan. What does this mean? Agile values being flexible and adapting to changes rather than sticking rigidly to an initial plan. Why does it matter? Markets, technologies, and priorities shift rapidly. Being able to pivot quickly keeps projects relevant and competitive. Example: say a competitor launches a new feature. Instead of ignoring this, an Agile team can quickly adjust their priorities to add a similar or better feature, ensuring they stay ahead. Remember, Agile doesn't mean ignoring processes, documentation, contracts, or plans. It means valuing people, working solutions, collaboration, and adaptability first. This mindset helps teams deliver better products faster and with more satisfaction for everyone involved. When PMI talks about Agile, it's not just another set of rules or a standalone method. PMI sees Agile as a flexible delivery approach that fits into the bigger project life cycle, from idea to final product delivery and project closure. When does Agile really shine? When requirements are uncertain. Often, clients or markets don't have all answers up front. Agile lets teams build small parts, learn, and refine as they go, instead of guessing everything at the start. When the environment changes fast, markets evolve, customer needs shift, and technology advances quickly. Agile helps teams stay nimble and adjust plans to stay relevant. When continuous feedback matters, Agile promotes constant communication with stakeholders, customers, users, and managers. So feedback is quick and misunderstandings are caught early. In PMI's eyes, Agile isn't just a trend. It's a powerful way to manage projects where learning, flexibility, and fast adaptation are key. It's part of the broader project management toolkit that professionals can use based on the project's needs. PMI's approach to project management is based on core principles, not just checklists. Agile fits really well with this mindset. Here are 4 key principles where Agile and PMI align. Delivering value. Both focus on delivering real value early and often, not just ticking off tasks. Agile's incremental delivery means stakeholders get benefits sooner and the team can keep improving. Engaging stakeholders. Agile's emphasis on frequent collaboration aligns perfectly with PMI's principle of keeping stakeholders involved. Regular demos, feedback sessions, and reviews build trust and ensure the product meets real needs. Adapting to context. PMI stresses adapting management approaches to fit the project's unique environment. Agile embraces this by encouraging teams to inspect, adapt, and respond to change continuously. Enabling team performance. PMI values motivated and empowered teams. Agile promotes self-organizing teams that decide how best to do their work, collaborate closely, and continuously improve, leading to better creativity and commitment. So, Agile and PMI share a vision of project management that's value-driven, people-focused, adaptable, and empowering. Agile isn't just about tools or ceremonies. It's a way of thinking and working that fits naturally with PMI's principles, helping project managers deliver success in today's complex world. Thanks for joining this session. Remember, embracing Agile values can help you lead projects that are more flexible, collaborative, and focused on delivering real value.